Finally, we solved the mystery of crank no start, troubleshooted entire fuel system electrical circuit, and now, moment of truth, you crank it and car is back to life, will get fired up and run. Yeah, let's check it out. As you can see, vehicle is back on the road, and the complete troubleshooting diagnostic video will be linked to this short. Check it out. I did my best to explain everything in details, how to diagnose the crank no start. We worked on a Chevrolet Metro, which is a Geo Metro known as a Suzuki Cultus, but it really doesn't matter, basic principles will be the same.